Hello folks, taking my daily walk through the woods. Anyway, while I'm doing that, I wanted to talk about the Christless circus clown, YouTube Unitarian Trinity train, okay? The circus clown, YouTube Unitarian Trinity train that so many Unitarians, one God believers, ride non-stop. It's the only train they know. Folks, I came to the Unitarian movement because people shared the same belief that God is the Father, and Christ is his human son. Looking for fellowship, looking for brotherhood. But instead, what I found is a bunch of druggies addicted to the Trinity debate. A bunch of druggies that like to hear themselves talk. They have an addiction to the Trinity debate. And also, though they say, we're tired of it, we want to talk about other things, they continue on the train non-stop. And the reason for this is they like to hear themselves talk. They feel a part of the club, the Trinity train, the Christless Trinity train, where all they do is talk about the Trinity non-stop. It's their cash cow. It makes them feel like they're a part of something, right? But this train that they are on, I quickly got off when I saw Christ was not on board. Christ was not on board. It's Christless. You see, what it is these people they worship knowledge, gnosis. It's Gnosticism. That's what Gnostic means. Knowledge. It's all about knowledge. They think because they know who the Father and the Son are, that they're good to go, that they're saved. They think that is eternal life, just knowing who the Father and the Son are. But they might know who the Father and Son are, but they don't know them. And God and his human Son do not know them either. You see, they have a very Greek mindset, that Greek philosophizing mindset, that Gentile Greek mindset that likes to philosophize. It's all about theology, knowledge, gnosis. Jesus is not on board.